Do you beat the heat? Just listen in to our little girl Rosie today.
Like
Listen up.
It tastes like what?
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum. Whoa.
Bubblegum snow cone, according to Rosie, and she's beating the heat. And we can still do this, but that humidity today was so oppressive, even Rosie said, Mama, I got to stop for a snow cone, and they did just that. So it looked really good. 96 degrees was our high today, no wonder, and then you factor in some of that humidity, but it's being scoured out, average about 90 this time of year, and we're looking at low 70s right in line with what we had this morning. 102, look at this record as we saw back here at 19, I want to say 14, yeah, 1914, I know that. There you go. So we have all kinds of variance with temperatures this time of year. So with the temperatures out there still in the 70s, if you step outside, it's pleasant. If you're just standing out there, you got some shorts on, short sleeve, probably feel quite nice. And some 80s still left over here, like I was saying before the break, right around Webster County, places like areas around Marion County, Buena Vista, a little embedded here and there, and look over around Union Springs too, some 80s out there. So it's a warm night altogether. Preston and Weston was what I was thinking of for our friends watching down there tonight. Some leftover little sprinkles of showers, a little thunderstorm complex rolled through right along the front tonight. Wasn't enough to really be super disruptive. You got probably just a little shower that passed by and around Georgetown. Now that's all getting pushed out and high pressure moving in. This was last night, shot right along Harris Road in Harris County, Georgia. But if you look at it, the latest, of course, we're looking at tweet and over on Chief Meteorologist Bob Jeswell's page asking the question, what does this look like? The plains of Africa somewhere, doesn't it? With the spindly trees here. It looks like you expect a lion to come rolling by here or something like that. And again, just pretty fascinating. We could see all this kind of picturesque views that are out there with a distant thunderstorm billowing up and way out there in Alabama. But those conditions out there, again, are really telling the story. So we know we're getting situated right in that mid part of June. And when we get the fronts coming in, that kind of gets all the moisture out of here. We don't have the high humidity, but look how nice it looks. But this will come to an end. This is all the way at Thursday. Watch what happens when we get towards Friday and the weekend. We start watching a tropical disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico. If it gets named, it would be Claudette. It would be the third named storm from the tropical Atlantic, but it doesn't look that way. It looks pretty disorganized, but there could be something, one way or the other, whether it is a tropical storm or tropical depression or not, or a tropical low. We have plenty of energy that's going to lift in here and make way for a wet part of the weekend. I know Father's Day looking a little wet this time. 66 degrees, mostly clear in the overnight. You're going to obviously stars all over the place. 90 tomorrow to 95. There'll be a variance out there. Our northern counties will be probably slightly cooler with that front coming in with dry conditions too. But Teresa, look at this. Real nice weather till we get into the weekend. We're going to see cooler weather because of the showers lifting in from the tropics.
All right, Bob, thank you so much.